day 2 and this is the breakfast. Again ordered because both the mothers are not well, so this is proper benne dosa because people call different kinds of dosas benne dosa, but it's not that benne dosa. This is real benne dosa because it's properly brown from outside and the smell. But the Bangalore one is the best one maybe, but yes. So good. Huh? All I want, all the curries. Come from this side. What time go ready? Free onchu jagati kodanga. Inko what? బొక్క ఇచ్చిన మూజి కంటే బొక్కనే ఓకే థ్యాంక్స్ సార్ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ₹1,000 we had such good meal, but I just felt we had free meals. I felt because normally whenever there are free meals it is like you stand in the line and you eat fast and like that, so it was just that same feeling, but we paid here. But that's the whole thing about Narayanas. I don't know, there is such a hype about this place always. Food is good, the fish was super fresh. We got fish eggs also, which most of the places don't have. But how was the food for you?
Food was very nice.
Very nice. Too crowded. Like somewhere you feel it's like something is free, but nothing is free. Even the buttermilk that they gave was charged. So there were not many options with the thali. By the way, like normally thali has got a lot of options. They don't have that. But food quality is good.
Quantity is good.
Quantity is good.
And it's tasty. Most important.
Yes, that's important. But the whole point about Mangaloreans is that you have to go to these places. Today is the day 2 of being in Mangalore. After 1.5 years, I'm here. I came here for 2-3 important things. One is done, one is ongoing. But today's interesting thing that I learned or I felt was, we went to 4 houses before coming for lunch. First is my own house, my mother-in-law. She's old. Then I went to my mom's place. Mom is anyways old. Third, I went to my sister-in-law's place. Her parents are old. Fourth, I went to my friend's place to see her mom. She's also old. The point is, I met only old people today. And it made me believe that old age is not meant for me. That means it doesn't mean that I'm not going to become old. I'm going to become old. I don't want to be living for that time, So, what do you think about it?
Yeah, okay.
So, we are going to live a life the way we want.
Find out whether it's left or right.
Just right. Yeah. So, want to live a life like there's no tomorrow. Because that old age is so difficult. I'm seeing them struggle.
It's not one way, right?
For everything. No, it's okay. Akashvani. किसी की रो रो to say. La, 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 la. We are going to Kadri Park. Kadri Park was one of the famous spots growing up, but then it changed because all things were not so right here. It became famous for quite wrong things, yeah?
Really?
Yeah. I don't know, couples were caught and all that college.
What's that called?
Yeah, that's the wrong thing, right? Like, so cute. Mahu Mela, look, 16 to 18 में नैसर्गिकವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕವಾಗಿ. There's some mango mela going on also. There are cops also. Kadri Park. Bangalore. Kadri Park. What's the barking?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
Incredible India. Yeah. Incredible India. I can see. Let's see how incredible India is. Oh, look at the aunties cookings and sellings. This is called Incredible India. So okay, see here if there are. I want to go in this, yeah? Kili, okay, kili, hatra.
ಬಾಲಮಂಗಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಾಲಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ
BSL. So do you have any memories about Kadri Park?
No, I don't think so. We came to Kadri Park.
Not we, at least you
and I
came.
went to Pilikula and she bunked the classes and I paid 400 rupees for that auto guy. That guy's kismat chamka out that day.
Wait, how many years back was that?
That was around 24 years back.
Shucks. You did all this for me? It's the oldest place. It's called Woodlands. One of the famous spots in Mangalore. What do they have best here?
Everything like podis and dosas and pulao was good.
Pulao.
Yeah.
Evening snack, morning
Snacks.
breakfast, afternoon lunch, anything is come. Like it's an old restaurant, so there is nothing like fancy things. But whatever you get here is amazing. Yes. And you sit in the car and they come and deliver to your car. So now we have ordered our banana podi is coming here. Thank you. Okay.
Right then.
Take it.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this is my evening snack. Banana podi. Parda podi in Tulu we say. Yeah.
This is fun.
This is called banana podi.
Look at
Parda podi. It's sweet bananas actually, but it is so good. Believe me, it's too oily.
It's dipped in oil.
Dipped in oil. Like,
That's the right
if you
word.
see, like literally, like if you see, I don't know whether you can see, but you come here and you complain about all these things and you don't eat this. Waste of coming to Mangalore, you know. I mean, this hotel is very old. It's not like something like Bill Destined or something. It's like
हमारे ज़माने की है वो भी बोल तुम्हारे ज़माने की जब हम पैदा हुए थे उस ज़माने पे रामायण के बाद तब होटल शुरू किया था
I think when my dad was born, it was built. Maybe or before that also. Because they used to come with dad here. Now I'll come with him. So what? And I really don't know why they give chutney with this sweet. This one, okay?
because chutney acts like a sponge. When you dip oil into it, it absorbs and then you take it into your stomach, still it's inside your stomach.
This time I've decided whatever he speaks crap, I'm going to post because most of the time I avoid it.
Yeah, because most of the time,
His humor is good, by the way.
very good.
So today we are not having chai. Normally we have chai because the chai is very good actually. Yeah. I must say very good because it's much better than what at least whatever I make at home. It's much better than that. Of course, even better than the restaurants that we get. Very nice, like with fresh milk and I don't know. It's made in a different way, I guess. We eat milk so many times and must malai there. Day 2 is done. We have done a lot of things today also, and I'm going to post this vlog much later because many reasons. But if you have not watched, please watch it and enjoy. Oh, look at that. The clarity. Okay. Oh my god, the clarity.
Clarity is very good.
So beautiful. So this is the girl who was there to fix me with this guy.
Yeah, that was the main reason.
I should have really done that, you know. Swapping thing, I should have go my place. So how many years we know each other? 15, 16, 17? More than that. 17 years we know each other? Basically, this is the girl who was the first culprit to introduce me to this guy.
This guy.
And that time I was a kid.
Not called kid.
And what were we? What was I? Don't tell him, don't tell him. He thinks himself as a baby anyway.
What was it like?
Oh yeah. We came to Forum Mall. I know, I forget it, sorry. Look at this. Look at that. Why is it always so crowded, no? So every time I come, I meet her. This time I thought I'll not meet her, but still I met her. And she's promoting her office brand, by the way. Look, ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಳಿಬೋದು Apsara is friends.
Again, the same question.
She was not there.
25 years. Since PUC. Since PUC.